Hello guys! Hello to all of you, and right now I'm going to show to you how I prepare my things as I will travel tomorrow for Manila. So let's go, come inside. Come on guys, come on, let's go inside. This is my room. I'm sorry for being it's very scattered. So these are my clothes, and I'm going to prepare this for my trip to Manila. Ito po yun. I have my sandals. I have my shorts, boxer shorts, and some of it are my socks. And this is my bag, traveling bag for my solo travels. Okay, I'm going to open it afterwards. Okay guys, I'm going to show to you how I prepare my sandals and my boxer shorts. So first thing is I need to prepare this. So how many days will I spend in Manila? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Or if there's extension, Thursday, Friday. So 8 days. Okay, first thing is how many sandals do I need to prepare? For tomorrow, 2 sandals. 1, 2, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 2 sandals per day. Okay, I'm done with my sandal and my boxer shorts. So next thing is this one. Hey, look at this, guys. These are my polo shirts. Okay? How many polo do I need to wear per day? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and at least I need 1 t-shirt with collar because I already lack collar. So 1 t-shirt with collar for next Friday. That's it. Okay, for my upper clothes. Okay guys, I'm already done with my polo shirts, upper shirts. So next thing is my pants. So how many pants do I need to wear for my trip to Manila? Okay, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But I still left 2 pants for Thursday, Friday. So what shall I do? If you only left something for your clothes, on the first day after wearing it, you need to go to the laundry. Ask the laundry to wash your clothes so that you won't lack clothes until the end of your travel. That's it. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. My clothes is up to Wednesday. So what I need to do is go to the laundry after I wear it so that I still have enough pants to wear. That's it. So right now guys, I'm going to prepare my socks. So how many socks do I need to prepare? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday. So 8 socks all in all. And okay, right now guys, I'm going to put my things inside my bag. So what do I need to put first? First thing is I need to put my sandals. Okay, so these are how I place my sandals. Each sandal I fold them so that there is more space for my other clothes. Okay, this is good for 8 days.